Hello Internet, this is me again, Carlo Gino, your software developer slash engineer slash copy paste engineer slash programmer slash whatever. And today will be the day 36 of my 100 days of code challenge. Yesterday I did the creation of new blog but only on the front end side. So this one, if I go to admin page and if I go to blogs, if I can create a new post using this component using this is powered by Quill.js. For today, what I will do is to integrate this with the backend because of most of the stuff I'm showing now is just the front end side, of course. Okay, so to do that, what I need to update, okay, maybe I'll just commit this change. Yes, this is just a very simple change. Oh wait, I think this should not be committed. I just commented this just to show an example. By the way, thank you to Mariel for sharing the stream. Okay, so what I need to do is to create a module in the backend using the nest.js. Where is that? Narwhal nest. And this is the blog. What is my convention again? I forgot what was the convention. Okay, without S, aside from the memes. Then the target is API. And I think I don't want any configurations here. Oh, shout out to the random guy. I'm not sure if that's a bot. The do Facebook, du Facebook 12349. So it will create this in apps API src blog module. This should be enough. Is it already created? Yep. The next is creation of the controller. Oh, God bless that guy. Blog. Okay, I created a controller and it automatically linked to the blog module. The next is creating a service. This is a common pattern of in Java as well. That's why I like this Nest.js because using JavaScript for me is easy and Java is also familiar with me. Is it already okay? I need to create a name. Blog. The project will be for API, and it's as simple as that. Okay, but before that, I need to create the type definition for the blog. If I'm not mistaken, I already have it here. Yep, I already did. But I'm wondering if I should start creating a new file for each because this API interface file is getting bloated. So we'll create here blog.model.ts. And if I'm not mistaken, I already created this blog. So what I will do is add it here. Though this API interface is very dedicated to one interface only. I'm not sure if that's good or not, but anyway. API interface, and okay, I just need to follow app lib blog dot model. I'm expecting that there will be some errors here because I just move some files. Where am I expecting an error? I think it should be in the web app pages. Basically it should be located in the blog component TypeScript. Nope. blog component. I'm expecting that there will be an error. Okay, this one. I guess because we're using this as a convention, that's why I don't get an error. Let me check with the console. Yep, there's no error. So I can simply continue with what I'm doing. The next step is to create a database entry for this. Oh wait. This should be here. And for the app module, I might need to update it, or I don't need for now. Anyway, I'll just add the blog module here. Import from blog/blog module. Blog module. So instead of okay, I was thinking if I should test my application using the front end application, the front end side, but I guess for now I don't need. Okay, I will simply use Insomnia for now, so I can save the post request. And also it's not yet integrated. I just realized. I will add here. Okay, let me create a folder first. Blog. And inside of here I will create a new request. It should be a post because I will create a new blog. Create blog. And for the body, it should be pointing to the portfolio backend slash. This is not yet defined. Blog. And okay, that's it. It should be blogs plural. Oh, I forgot to turn on my timer again. In here, I'm expecting. Wait, what are the parameters I'm expecting? Okay, I'll just do it in the controller. In the controller, I will create a post. Create new blog. And this okay, for simplicity, I'll just return hello from blog. Okay, to make it simpler, I'll code side by side, though I cannot really see the result. Okay, so I'll do it this way. If I hit send, I'm getting an error. Okay, of course, this needs to be blogs, plural. I'll wait for it to recompile. Lucky boy, is it alright now? Thank you for reminding that the sound quality is very bad. I'm not sure if it's okay. Is it okay now? Okay, I'll guess I need to check it on my phone. Is it? By the way, what did you hear earlier? Is it a buzzing sound or just I don't know? Was it very very bad? Okay, continuing with what I'm doing. Thank you again, Lucky Boy, for informing me that something is terrible with my stream. Cover photo. By the way, for today, I'm simply creating the back end side of the blog creation. For cover photo, it can be string for now. Am I missing something else? Okay, title. Column name title. Okay, this is enough. I think so. Oh, okay, my voice was like a chipmunk. Okay, let me think. But thank you again for reminding me. Until now, it's sounding very bad. Or maybe my voice is just naturally bad. Hey, how are you? What are you? Are you on break now? I'll go back to what I'm doing. So I created this blog metadata, and that won't work unless I explicitly added here in my list of metadata. I mean list of with the list of entities. Okay, so I'm sorry what you asked. I just asked how are you? Blog metadata. And this needs to be used in the separate module. In the blog module, I will add. Yeah, I'm also good. Oh, I think the delay is not bad today because earlier we need to wait for like 20 seconds for me to get your reply or my reply to be visible to your screen. I'm not so sure. Blog metadata. Once I defined these entities, I'm expecting that in my database it will be automatically created. I'm opening now my Heidi SQL. So refreshing. I could not see it. Where is my... Oh, my bad. It should be blog metadata. It means that my image metadata record has been wiped, I guess. Oh, it's not wiped. That's good. I don't see my blog metadata. Do I need to wait? Okay, in here. Oh, what the heck? Okay. The error here is because when I tried to use tags with the name, it will not work. I need to explicitly tell here that this is a simple array. Since I'm just using an array of strings. Duplicate name author. Duplicate name author. Where's the author? Yep, there's a duplication. Oh, lots of errors here. Created at. Updated at. Lucky Boy, are you still watching? I just need to test something for the delay. I need to check how much is the delay. Okay, if I refresh this, I'm expecting that I will now have... Okay, great. At the count of 3, can you type 3? Okay, so 1, 2, 3. 1. Oh, 5 seconds delay. That's very nice. Or maybe I'm just bad at counting, and it could be even faster. Okay, I can interact with you more. Okay, now my table has been created. So this blog metadata, where is it? This one without any, of course, without any content. Oh, wait. It's not yet complete. I need to map this to a certain user. Oh, okay. Yeah, very good delay. It's not so bad. It's not that bad. Since it's already okay, my services are created as well as the entities. I can now persist my data in the database. Blog service. Okay, I'll just reference my code in my other services. In memes, in these services, I can copy paste this and just replace some of the content. It should be blog metadata. I can use this now to persist my details, and it's very easy. So it's a simple it's a 3-liner code. Save blog. Blog and I need to rename this to blog repository. Of course, this won't work unless I integrated it in the controller. So I need to inject first the the service private read only blog service wait, it's not existing from blog.service. Okay, it's blob. The software I'm using is Streamlabs OBS. Previously, I was using OBS only. This one. Wait. Anyway, I think you can just Google it. OBS Studio. This is the really free software. But for now, I'm using the OBS Streamlabs. It's still free, but yeah, it's still free and have lots of new cool features. I mean, added features on top of the existing OBS. Yeah, you should try a streaming too. Okay, going back in the blogs and the controller, I need to return this .blog service that save blog, but of course I need the body equals rec that body blog as blog metadata. I can simply return the output of this in here. Yep, I'm already returning, and this is returning a promise of blog metadata blah 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 blah. Let us try if this will work. If I go to my hide SQL, okay, no tricks here. There is no content. But if I try to persist this thing, okay, I'm getting here a 500 error. If I go to my field author does not have a default value. Okay, I get it. The issue is because I'm only passing here this contents. So what I need to do is when saving it, okay, wait. If I'm not sure if I should construct the blog in the service or in the control, but for now I'll construct it in the controller because it can control the flow. So the blog will be spread, and the author by default will be me. The date created at would be date.now. Of course, it's not a type of date, so I will use new date. And updated at will be the same because this is the first time. For the tags, title, cover photo, for now I can leave it as empty. Oh yeah, I'm not sure either if MacBook is good for streaming, but you can try. There's no harm in trying. And I will also watch your stream. For the ID, it's not needed for now because it will be auto-populated. I wait for this to recompile and let me test if this will work second time. I will check the database, still no content. I'm refreshing, if you can hear the keyboard. If I hit send, okay, I'm getting this response, and if I hit refresh here, I'm getting here some details. And what I can do here is to create a fetch. Of course, before that, I should save it, just in case of emergency. Created blog module in backend. By the way, what are you going to stream, just in case? Oh, code or games? Oh, I see. And what language? Is it PHP? Uh, I'm I'm planning to learn Python because of course I don't know how. I don't know. I forgot how to use Python, but if I'm not mistaken, 5 years ago, I used Python, but not for any good use case. It's just a hello world application. Just some basic concepts. It's taking a lot of time. While it's taking a lot of time, what I can do is to go to my by the way, lucky boy. I don't know how to, if you want to be called a lucky boy, but if you can share it to your friends, that would be great. Hello, Alex Alenton. Thank you for following. Now going back to the controller, what I want to do here is to get all of my created blogs. Get blogs, and it's as simple as returning the service get blogs. And of course, there's a squiggly line here that's saying it's not yet created. So what I will do is to simply return this.blog repository.find, and that's it. Okay, what I will do in this insomnia is to, okay, I want to put it here. Okay, what I want to do is to create a new request, get blogs, and it's as simple as copying this request and hit send. Now I can get all of the details, and let me quickly check my entity because there might be some bad side effect of the copy pasting. API should be in the database, entities, blog entity. Okay, I don't need to add here. I was trying to find if there is a property here that's saying that this column should be unique or whatever. But for the blog, I don't need that case. What that means is that I can create multiple entries of this with the same content, tags, title. So if I hit send this second time, and if I fetch it, I will get these two identical blog entries. So for now, this should be enough to be integrated with the front-end application. What I will do is go to my where is that? Should be in the web app. And in the blogs, I guess I need to create a service here. Or not. Okay, maybe not for now. Do I need to add a service? Okay, I don't want. In my ng on init. Wait, I'm thinking if I should create a service for this. Okay, I will create a service. Service, narwhal angular schematic. And this should reside in this folder. Pages, blogs, / blogs, blog service. The name of the application is web app. And it's as simple as this. I'm having here some inconsistency with the naming because in here I have blogs and now I'm using blog, so I guess I'll just make it plural. I have here the newly created service, and what I will do here is to inject the HTTP the code needed for the HTTP request. HTTP client private read only HTTP. For you mean in my Visual Studio Code? So for my theme, I'm using it's a Game of Thrones inspired. What was that again? I forgot. It's not the material. Okay, for the icon, I'm using the material icon theme. But for the okay, I'm using this Winter is Coming theme by John Papa. This I guess it's based from the Game of Thrones. And if you want my configuration, I can send it, but of course some of this might not work to you because I'm developing in other programming language. Anyway, okay, I will continue with coding. Get logs, and what this will what this will do is to fetch blogs. This that HTTP client that get, and it will get from the environment plus okay, since I since what am I trying to say? Since I extracted this model from the leaf, what I can do here is to export here constant const I was planning if I should extract here like the URL blog URL is equals to blog, but I guess it would be overkill. It should not be like that. Should be okay. So what I will do here is just do this. Get fetch blogs, not logs. It will return okay, in here I can explicitly define the type. Blog metadata. What? Blog metadata. That's too bad. From portfolio blog. Oh, it should be blog only. Yeah, it's blog only. Okay, if it's blog only, and of course I need to use this in here. I'm thinking if I fetch the blog, should I add this in the constructor? I'm working for a company right now, so yeah, I'm employed. How about you? Are you self-employed or working for a company? Okay, going back here, I don't know what pattern should I use here. Oh, self-employed, that's cool. So you're working at your own pace, right? How was it? Is it enjoyable? Is it too stressful or just right for you? Blog service. Yeah. Yeah, I think being a employee, self-employed is less stressful. I'm not so sure. I can't really compare because I don't experience, but with being self-employed, you are your own boss. This that blog service that fetch blogs, and I will subscribe to this, and the response will be assigned here. This that blog store that dispatch set blog import from action slash blogs action set. What was the action again? I forgot. I want to add add multiple blogs here. Load blogs, blah 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 blah. I think this is the one I need. Load blogs. I'll just quickly check the reducer. Load blogs, load. Where's the load? Okay, I guess what I want here is the load blogs. And what I will pass here is the blogs. So I can simply rename this to simplify. Wait, what? Oh, okay, my bad. In here, it should be returning a blog, another blog. This application I'm using for the language is JavaScript based, the backend and the front end, but the framework in the front end is Angular, and for the back end it's Nest.js. So what are the language you're using for your projects? For the okay, I was let me try if what I added in the database can be reflected to the front end. Oh, you use Python. That's great. Yeah, PHP is very popular, but as you know, from the memes, it's also one of the most hated. Second to JavaScript. I don't know which is the most hated, but I don't know why also they hate the language. Maybe it's just because it's old. I tried PHP once, but I forget how to use it now. I don't have any idea. Yeah, yeah, because it's old and it's easy. Yeah, it's very easy to use. If I could recall, I was I don't have any idea on how to code in PHP, but when I started coding, it was very easy. Yeah. Okay. Sorry. I was trying to get the result. So what I need to do here um is to remove the default state I set in the reducer. Is there any redux pattern in PHP? Don't have. I want to learn more about it, but I guess I have no time to do that. Reducer, block reducer. I need to remove this. Okay, this should be used in production. So what I will do is to remove this. Now it's looking good. But of course, I don't have anything here. What I want to do is to fetch the data in the backend. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa! What do we have here? In the service, where is my service? Blog service. Environment. Oh, my bad. This should be API. Oh, okay, okay, okay. Now I'm getting somewhere interesting here. The date string is not a function. And why is that so? If I hit the network tab, check for the I'm actually getting here this string representation. What do I have for the other types? Let me quickly check. Where are my entities here? I'm having a mental block. Date. It's not it. Okay, this one. User certification entity. I guess this is the one I need. What I will do is update this and add a date time 2. I'm not sure. I forgot what is the reason why I'm using datetime 2. If I could recall, this is because of the precision. I need to remove this entry and try to add a new blog. Create blog. Oh no, what's happening? Is it compiling? Yeah, okay. Datetime 2 is not supported in by MariaDB. So sad. So I'll just use datetime. I'll hit send again and I get something. If I go back to my front-end application and hit refresh, it's still having some error because to date string. If I go back and search to what's being returned, oh, I get this this format. What do you mean by tracking my work? I'm tracking my code using Waka time. I just recently added it in my workflow, but I'm not really strictly tracking it. It's just for the documentation of my 100 days of code challenge. So if you're asking for the tracking, so I made already 10 hours, but I just recently, this is 10 hours for last 7 days and only for this project. So I'm using TypeScript, HTML, VS Code is my only editor of use. Yep, and my today is 1 hour. Yeah, that's how I track. But I don't really get the question. Maybe I misinterpreted your question. There is a to date string here. I need to remove it. This is what we get from the backend. So it's persisted now, and if I create, okay, it's not yet being persisted to the backend when I'm creating. So create blog. It will pass a blog, and it will post. It will return a new blog. It will use this. Why did I should have just copy pasted it. For the content body, I can simply pass the blog. I need to return this. Where did I use it? Okay, I just remember it should be in the admin part. I need to inject the service here. Private read only blog service. Wait. I guess it should not be here. It should be in the dialog. Should be here. This dot blog service dot create blog. I will pass this blog const new blog. I don't need to pass the time, the date, the time, and also the author. It will automatically be calculated from the backend. And for the ID, I don't need it as well. I can pass here the new blog. Wait, what is wrong with this? Blog. Okay, I know what's the error here, because this can be optional. I don't want it to be optional actually, but what did I use for the other? Okay, I'll just simply make this optional. Nope, I don't want. So as a trick here, instead of the blog creation, I can simply use partial. Where is that again? Okay, it's now working, but I need to subscribe from this, and the response will be a blog. And what I will do is to dispatch it when it is successfully created. Instead of passing here the whole blog. Yep, I can simply do this. And I will reset it along the way, and there should be some toast message here, but for now I will simply test this lorem ipsum generator. I will generate copy, and in my blogs I will create a new token must be defined. What is the issue here? Line 18. What is the issue? I don't have a compilation issue. Token must define expected blah 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 blah. Create blog, line 18. What? I don't get it. Token must define expected. Okay. For this kind of error, of course, I can use Stack Overflow or just a Google search. App component, blah 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 blah. To export my root component. But do I really need to do that? Or it's not being provided? My guess is because it's not being provided, so let me just try providers blog service, just a guess. Okay, invalid providers. All instances of provider and type are allowed. What the heck? So what is wrong here? He's saying that someone forgot to export. It's not working. So this is really the solution that I needed. Going back, I need to generate some content here. Sorry, copy and paste it here and do some formatting just to test if it will work. I want to add a image as well. Hello Alem Ben, how are you? This is my logo and I will convert this to oh no, I don't want that. Where's the heading? Let me try if this will work. Some title and blog one. If I hit save, I'm getting here something. Sources, network, blogs, 500. Data too long. Okay. I just recall that in my blog entity for the content, it's just a string. So what I can do here is, I forgot what is the necessary type for Nest.js for long contents. Nest.js. It should be like medium text, but I don't know what is the counterpart for that. Oh, sorry, it's not Nest.js, it's for type ORM. Type ORM. Medium text. Long text. Okay, let's try long text. If I hit save again, it's been saved. If I refresh the page and go to blog, we have this blog that I created a while ago. How many followers do I have? In Twitch, only two. I only have two followers, so maybe you can help me spread this live coding session. Okay, so I'm planning to in the future to add some blogs in here. I mean, legit content, because this is a lorem ipsum content. And I think that's it for now, since I only have 1 minute and some seconds. But before that, I need to save my changes. If you have any suggestion, Lucky Boy, maybe you can of course give me some suggestion of one content after of course with what I'm creating. What did I update here? I will just add integrated back end and front end. Okay, don't need to stress out with the commit message. Actually, I said that I will work with these list blogs, but I forgot to do so. Okay, what I will do tomorrow is, instead of for example, I have this long content of blog. What I will do is to just show the title and some sneak peek, and there's see all in here. When I click this, it will be navigated to the full article. Because just for example, I will add a new blog, the new blog, some tags, tag using this lorem ipsum. I will create what if I create 100 paragraphs. Oh, it's very long. Copy, bold, blah 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 blah, and I want to try this YouTube and okay, this one. Oh, I'm live now. Oh, there's someone watching. If I type this, so if I add a media here and save, it's actually embedded here. Oh, the save button is way below. If I hit save, it's been saved, and if I hit refresh and go back to my blogs, you can see here that there is embedded YouTube. And it's actually working, and that's great, right? Yeah, that's this is the motivation for the future for tomorrow's feature, to list it in this way in the dev.to. you can see here, oh, this is what I'm going to do, exactly this one. So I have this card, and then if I click the article, then it will navigate me to this view. Okay, it's already finished. So thank you guys for watching, and again, this is the day 36 of my 100 days of code challenge, and I will see you tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.